Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So we're outside of Walgreens to do our haul for this week, and there's a fly in my car, and use those digital boosters that we got. Now, I have 3 of the spend boosters and 4 of the other boosters, $4 off of $12. I think there's a $4 off of $15. There's a $6 off of $12, but I heard that that is not coming off for a lot of you. So fingers crossed. I do have a couple different scenarios that you can do. We are going to be grabbing some super cheap diapers today. I did post on my Instagram as well an amazing diaper deal at CVS. If you don't follow me yet on my Instagram, I'm trying to post even more deals on my Instagram every single day. So definitely head over there. It's Bree the Coupon Queen. I do have a giveaway going on right now on my Instagram as well to win a $25 Amazon gift card. So head over to that post and comment, like, and of course follow me. Tag a friend in that post, and that way you can get entered. I will be choosing the winner on Friday at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And I have another giveaway going on in my CVS haul video from yesterday. So both of those will be linked below in the description box. In that video, I am giving away the inserts we're going to be getting next week. So I'm choosing that winner on Wednesday. So that way I'll have enough time to get your address and I can ship those out. So you'll hopefully get them by Sunday. And I'm giving away the inserts with the P&G with the Tide coupons. Love those coupons, and those help for a lot of obviously amazing deals and savings on the Tide laundry products. So if you haven't entered, definitely check all those out. Tons of exciting things going on. And we did just hit 3,000 followers on my Instagram, which I'm so excited about. And if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any amazing deals that you guys can save on, or of course, any giveaways that I have going on. So there is a printable breakdown listed in all of my haul videos, so definitely check that out. You guys can download it, edit it, whatever you guys would like to do. And that way it'll give you guys exactly where I got everything. If there's any printable coupons I'm using, it'll be linked in there for you as well to make it as easy as possible. So let's go inside and start taking advantage of the amazing deals at Walgreens this week. So this is going to be our first transaction today using the $4 off a $12 purchase digital booster. First thing we're going to grab is some Revlon. Now Revlon and Almay are 30% off this week. So these prices are already going to reflect that 30% off. And they're buy 2, get a $5 register reward. All of our Almay and Revlon coupons expired, unfortunately. We do have some Revlon Eye digital coupons, so you can do that if you'd like, but this is gonna be the cheapest option. So you can grab 2 of the Revlon Kiss Bombs. They're $3.49 each. Then you're gonna get back the $5 register reward. That is gonna make your final cost about $1.98 for both, or 99 cents each. But we are adding this in with our booster today, so let's grab 2 of these and add them to our cart. Now we're gonna grab some Halloween candy because I wasn't able to get it at CVS yesterday, and I definitely need to stock up before it's too late. So these are buy 1, get 1 free. I'm gonna grab 1 Crunch and 1 Butterfinger. Then we have this $1 off 2 digital coupon, so make sure you clip that, send it to your cart. And you're gonna submit this to Ibotta for 50 cents back. That is gonna make your final cost $3.50 for both, or about $1.75 each. So not a bad price point for some candy. The last deal in this scenario, we're gonna be grabbing the Nice or Complete Home Storage bags. They are buy 1, get 2 free. So 2 of them are gonna ring up as $0. So don't track that towards your totals. They are mix and match, so I'm gonna grab some of the larger ones and some of the smaller ones. I wanted the freezer bags up here. Oh, they have some way in the back. So I'll have to jump up high and grab some of those. Let's add these 3 to our cart and go over our totals for our first transaction. Okay, so this is everything that we have in our first transaction. This is using the $4 off a $12 purchased booster. Total is going to be about $14.76. There's only 1 coupon we're using. It's the $1.25 digital for the Mars candy. Then we have the $4 digital booster that's going to come off as well. We're going to be left to pay $9.51 plus taxes. You can use points, so I'm going to try to roll $10 in points. Then we're going to get back a $5 register reward from the Revlon deal, and that's going to make our final cost now just $4.51 for all seven items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, so not a bad deal. Now we're going to be using the booster for $4 off a $15 purchase, and we're getting more Ibotta rebates. There is a bonus hidden rebate on Ibotta that I posted on my Instagram as well for the Maze bonus. For when you do 20 rebates, you will get an additional $5 back. So we're going to try to do as many as we can today at Walgreens, and then I will try to finish it at Walmart this week in my Ibotta haul. So stay tuned for that. So we are going to grab 2 of these all oxy. This free and clear does not work with the Ibotta rebate, so heads up on that. I already scanned it and it does work. They're $2.99. I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of them. I already have one in my cart. We're going to use this $1 off 1 digital coupon, and we got dollar coupons in our inserts from Sunday. So our final cost is going to be $1.99 each, but we're going to submit it to Ibotta for $1 back each, limit of 2, making our final cost just 99 cents each, which is amazing for some laundry care. Now we're going to grab some Dove Men Body Wash. So they're $5.99 again this week, already saving us $1. If you still have the $2 digital coupon, definitely clip that and use it. I already did that last week, so the only other coupon is a $5 off of 4, but I'm not going to be buying 4 of these. So I'm going to see if this coupon will work this time. Last time at the register, it wouldn't work. I'm not sure why, because the previous week it did. So we'll see, fingers crossed. Then we're going to submit it to Ibotta for another $2 back. Here's another easy deal with a digital coupon and Ibotta rebate. We're going to grab these Nuzit Cones. They're on sale just 89 cents this week, and this is the cheapest place to grab them. Walmart, they're 97 cents each. So we're going to grab 6, use this buy 4, get 2 free digital coupon. We're going to pay $3.56, get back $2 from Ibotta when you buy 6, making your final cost $1.56 for all 6 of these. So a great deal to add in this transaction. So here is everything we're going to be grabbing using a 4 off of $15 purchase booster. Total for all these products is going to be about $17.31. Then we have the buy 4 get 2 free digital, a $2 paper coupon, a $1 digital, and a $1 paper coupon for the all. Then we also have that $4 booster that's going to come off. We're going to be left to pay $7.53 plus taxes. Again, you can roll points, so you could roll $5 in points. Then you're going to submit to Ibotta, get back $2 for the Dove, $2 for the Nuzit, and $1 each for the all detergent, giving us back $6. Final cost on this is $1.53 plus taxes for all 9 items. So another amazing scenario. Okay, so let's get into the amazing diaper deals at Walgreens this week. Whether you like Pampers or Huggies, we're going to be grabbing both of them, so stay tuned. First deal we're going to do is on the Pampers. So they are 2 for $20, and when you buy 2, you're going to get a $4 register reward. So make sure you go to a location where their register reward machine is printing, or you can ask them at checkout. If it's not printing, see if a manager can give you the points back in the store. That way you don't have to worry about reaching out to customer service, because they've been a little less than helpful lately. What I'm going to do is grab 2 of these, the 2 to 3T. They are going to be $20. We have this $2 off 2 digital coupon. Then I'm going to be combining this with a $4 off of a $15 purchase digital booster. That is going to take off $6. I'm going to be left to pay $14 out of pocket. Then I'm going to get back a $4 register reward, submit it to Ibotta for $3 back each. That'll give you back $6 as well. So our cost went from $20 for 2 of these all the way down to $4 for both of them, or $2 per bag of diapers, which is amazing because these come with 25 diapers. Make sure you're scanning it in store to be sure that it is attaching to the rebate because it only shows certain ones that are available. The next deal we're gonna do is gonna be on the Huggies Snug and Dry. So Huggies is part of a different promotion. When you spend $25, you will get a $5 register reward, and they're 2 for $18. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these. That'll bring me to $27. We have this 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and we have this $2 off any one package of Huggies diapers coupon we got in previous inserts. It will be linked in the printable breakdown exactly what insert this came from. Then we are going to be using one of the $4 boosters to bring this down even more. If you want to use a spend booster, you can, but then my out-of-pocket would be a lot higher, so I don't plan on using that one today. So now we are going to be left to pay $18 out of pocket. Then we're going to submit it to Ibotta for $1 back each, limit of 3. We're grabbing 3, so that'll be perfect. Give us $3 back. Then we're going to submit it to Fetch Rewards. If you're new to Fetch Rewards, definitely get this one signed up. It's super easy to use. All you do is scan your receipts. Mine shows 3,000 points back when you spend $30 throughout this entire month. So this will bring me almost all the way there. That'll give you back another 3,000 points. So if you did any of the Huggies deals last week or the week before, that'll get you to $3 back. Then for spending $25 or more, we're gonna get a $5 register reward. Our final cost for 3 bags is gonna be just $2.33 each. All of my links for the referral codes, of course, are just below in the description box for you if you're new to Ibotta or if you're new to Fetch Rewards. I do have videos on how to use those rebate apps as well. It's on my website, BrieCouponQueen.com, or of course it's on my YouTube channel that you can search for. Another candy deal I'm gonna grab is gonna be 2 of these Twix right here. They're also buy one, get one free, and when I scanned it on the Walgreens app, they are attaching to this $1.25 off 2 digital coupon. That is gonna make our final cost $3.75 for both of them. Here is another scenario you can do using the 4 off of $12 purchase digital booster, or of course the 6 off of 12, but I heard that one is not working, so we'll have to see how it goes at checkout. I was gonna grab one of the paper towel and one of the toilet paper, but they're out of the toilet paper, unfortunately. So we're gonna grab 2 of the paper towels. They're $5 each. We do have the $1.25 Walgreens IVC coupon. If you've already used the digital, it will not be on your account again, so just make sure that they scan it in the Walgreens Book of Savings, which each cashier should have up at the register as well. So that is going to bring down our total. Now remember, it's a spend $12, get $4 off digital booster. So we have to take into consideration that $1.25 off each is going to be coming off of this transaction. So let's go over our totals, including our candy deal. Okay, so if the $6 off of $12 digital booster is working, that would make this deal amazing. But I'm just going to assume a $4 booster is going to come off. Total for these products is going to be $12.49 after the $1.25 IVC coupon comes off of both of these. Then we have a $1 digital for the candy and the $4 booster. We're going to be left to pay $7.49 plus taxes. Again, you can use points, and we're going to get back 50 cents from Ibotta for the Butterfinger, making your final cost $6.99 plus taxes for all 4 items. Okay, so we're back in from Walgreens. I did hit a couple snags at checkout, so I'll go over the details of that, and we'll go over all of the receipts that I have. The Huggies deal. Last time I tried to get Huggies at Walgreens, it all went awry and I didn't wind up picking them up. Same thing happened this time. The $4 booster wouldn't come off, the 3 off of 2 digital wouldn't come off. I was not gonna spend $27 out of pocket, so I just had them go ahead and void that one. So I only wound up doing 4 transactions today, but I still wanna go over them with you. Couple things. The Nuzit digital coupon did not come off, so I have to contact customer service on that one. And there was something else that wasn't working. Oh, Pampers, the $2 off of 2 digital coupon did not come off, so I have to contact them about that too. Oh, $6 coupon never came off of anything, so not sure what happened there. But let's go over my receipts so I can share them with you. And something weird happened on this transaction. I got an extra register reward, so I'll show you that in a minute. So this one I got the Nestle and the Butterfinger and the 2 Scott paper towels. The IVC coupon came off of both. The 4 off of 12 came off. Final cost was $8.49. I paid that cash out of pocket. Submitted it to Ibotta, got back 50 cents for the Butterfinger. And then I got this $1 register reward, and it says for Ferrero. I don't know if this is from buying those 2 chocolates, but drop a comment. Let me know if you guys got this or if you've seen it or heard about it or what it came from. I'm not really sure, but got an extra $1 back, so whatever. Then I did I don't know what order I did these in because checkout was kind of crazy. So I did the Pampers, so the 2 off of 2 did not come off. 4 off of 15 came off. I used $5 in points, paid $12.04 out of pocket, submitted it to Ibotta, got back $6.10. I had a 10-cent any training pant rebate or something like that. And I got back I think $4 register reward. So that made that deal really good. I'm really excited about that. And I have to get back 2,000 points from that digital coupon not coming off. Then I did this one. Again, the order of the receipts isn't right. I don't remember which order I did it. I got the Twix, the Nice, and the Revlon. The $5 register reward did print. The $4 off of 12 came off. I used 2 accounts, mine and my mom's. So that's why it's showing like the 4 off of 12. They are one-time use coupons. Rolled $10 in points, paid 21 cents out of pocket for this one. And didn't get anything back on that. Then I got the Nuzit and the All Detergent and the Dove. When I scanned my receipt for this on Ibotta, the Nuzit did not pop up, so I did have to scan all 6 of those to get the $2 back, but that's okay. 4 off of 15 came off. The All came off, and that Dove printable did wind up working. So it's just the Nuzit digital that did not come off. So I'll have to contact customer service about that as well and get the points back. Rolled $5 in points, paid $4.23 out of pocket. Submitted it to Ibotta, got back another $6.10 on this guy, making this transaction a small moneymaker because I only paid $4.23 out of pocket, got back $6.10, which is awesome. So those are all the transactions that I did. I'm still happy with everything that I got. My out-of-pocket was a little higher than I usually like it to be, but that's okay. Hopefully customer service will not be the biggest pain in the butt and will help me quickly so I don't have to spend a lot of time on that. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment. Don't forget to head over to my Instagram to check out that giveaway that I'm doing for the $25 Amazon gift card. And head over to my CVS video, link in the description box, so you can enter to win some PG inserts and all the inserts that we're going to be getting next week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.